New arrival here at MGM Classic Cars. This is a 1965 Pontiac GTO. 389 engine. As you can see, new booster, new cylinder for the disc brakes in the front. You got power steering. This is a 389, believed to be numbers a matching vehicle. No overheating issues. Sounds great. I will fire it up. All the chrome on the car is super nice. It's been replaced. Grille is in great condition. You got your factory rally wheels on the car. Gorgeous paint throughout the vehicle. All your trim, weather stripping glass are in good condition. Door handles as well. Beautiful door lips, as you can see there. Inner, outer door jambs are nice and solid all around. All the weather stripping, as you can see. Nice dash, nice cluster, nice gauges. Believed to be all factory there. You got your factory buckets, console, automatic transmission, beautiful back seat with package tray, and a headliner. Okay. Sounds good, right? Red paint is very nice on the car, guys. You got your lug nuts on the wheels. Nice reflection. Like I said, chrome is good. Trunk is super solid. It's all been restored. You have your left quarter that we believe has been replaced, but they did a great job on it. On the passenger quarter, you got your factory GM stampings there with no patchwork on the inside, so that believed to be original as well. Under the trunk has been painted really nice. Like I mentioned, the chrome is good. You got your dual exhaust. There's your paint reflection. Look at that. Beautiful car, great stance. Passenger side just as nice as well. Okay. I want to fire this up. I want you guys to hear it. This thing runs good, drives good. Like I mentioned, no overheating issues whatsoever. Underneath is very clean. You guys can check out those photos on our website as well. Okay, so let's fire this up and then we'll talk further. Financing is available. You will need a couple things. Number one, good credit. Number two, 10% down of the purchase price of the vehicle. Now, if your credit score is around 620 to about 775, 10% down would be needed as a minimum. And if your credit score is over 780 and higher, I possibly have a no money down option for you guys, okay? So keep that in mind. Now, if you guys wanted to add air conditioning, wheel and tire package, cut-off exhaust system, maybe a new set of exhaust, maybe something that sounds a little bit more beefier, we can do that here. We can also do a Kenwood Bluetooth stereo system with kick panel speakers and package tray speakers as well. We can do a backup camera that's on the rear view mirror. It's a 7-inch LED screen. Everything is Alexa, so you can it's hands-free Bluetooth. So keep that in mind if you guys wanted to do those additional options. Yeah, they do cost a little bit more money, but those options are available. Also, we have warranty packages that start at $695. So you can ask your rep about that. You can ask me about that. We can tint the windows if you wanted to. So all of these extra things that I'm talking about. Now listen, all of these things, all these extra options can be added to your loan amount and financed. Okay, so if you ever wanted to do these upgrades, now is the time to do them here. We have a full service department, full service shop that can handle these things, okay? So keep that in mind. Now, one last thing, if you need shipping to your home there, that should not be a problem as well. We are licensed, insured, and bonded for the purchase price of this vehicle, okay? So therefore, I will need you to call or text me with your zip code. Please refer to the year, make, and model of the car too, for the weight purpose, for your delivery, okay? So you can text me, that's what I prefer, to text me your zip code to my number. It is, again, or should I just say my phone number, not again. It is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. If you have any additional questions about this 65 GTO or anything else that I have here in my collection, guys, let me know. mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching.